This is section 11.6, objective 1, graphing quadratic functions, which actually will graph a parabola. So this is our first one. So she already picked out values for x, and then if you square them, you'll get the value for y. So again, for the first one, if x is -2, if I take -2 and square it, I'm going to get 4. So these are my ordered pairs. So I'm going to go ahead and plot these points. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and then plot the points. I want you to do the same thing. Okay, so I plot the points. Now, it should be a smooth curve down here. It shouldn't be any sharp edges. It should be a smooth curve. Looks kind of like this. Okay, so this is what we call a parabola. One thing we're going to talk about with parabolas is the vertex. Vertex is either the minimum point if it's opening up or a maximum point if it's opening down. We'll look at a couple of those later. But this right here, this point right here, the minimum is called the vertex. And the coordinates for this case would be 0, 0. Okay. Right here, there's what's called the axis of symmetry. This line right here. That's where if you take this side, it's reflecting across that axis of symmetry. For the functions that we deal with that are parabolas, where the x is squared and the y is just a first degree, the axis symmetry is always it's a line, it's a vertical line. X is equal to this x value right here. So x is equal to 0. This is the axis symmetry. So that's what they mean by axis, is x is equal to, and again, whatever the vertex is, the x coordinate of the vertex. Okay, the domain and the range. The domain is how far to the left and how far to the right it goes. So if you think about this, it goes forever to the left and forever to the right. So the domain would be -infinity for the left and +infinity for the right. And then for the range, those are my y values. So I think of what's the lowest y value up to the highest y value. This is my lowest y value, which is 0. And we do have a bracket because it's actually part of the graph. And then it keeps going, the graph keeps going up, so that'd be up to infinity. Okay, so that's the first example. I'm going to do the example on the bottom of the page on a separate video.